So I get questions from time to time about what do we do or what do I do in my office every day. And I think it's just time that we do a little office tour here so you can see what's actually going on the backside of Phantom every day. And so this is my office here in Asia, and this is where I work every day. This is a Phantom crew here. This is where we do a lot of research and development. This is sort of my workstation here, and it's where I do a lot of the CAD CAM, a lot of the design. Just a sneak peek, this is the new full ball screw T unit that we'll be releasing very shortly. And here's our workbench, got a few little projects up here. This is an interesting project here. So this is a spindle, obviously, but we're working with some screens, and we'll be counting revolutions, vibration control, vibration diagnostics, so we can look and see if tooling is getting dull and things like that. And this is just sort of a little pan around here of that. And over here we've got Kevin, so he's doing coding. Over here, this is a animation station, so Danny does most of the animation work. And here is electrical drawings. Back here, storage, other fun stuff, vacuum cleaner, 3D printer. This is just a vacuum pump we print, but we do this because sometimes CAD models won't tell you exactly what you need, and you want to see what things look like actually stacked beside each other. So we'll print a CNC frame, and then we'll place this underneath it and look at good places to set it and the best way we can move material around and the best thing for the customer to make things compact. So laugh about this if you want, but this is a great machine just for testing motion real quick. A lot of times we make changes on controllers. This is a real good way to check that. We would die without tea or coffee. This is basically just where we keep our daily stuff. Everybody puts their stuff in there during the day. In here is the purchasing office. So here we're working on an animation. This is actually a workstation just for rendering the animations. A lot of times some of the animations that you see will take 24 hours to actually turn that into a video. Got Lillian, and she is doing purchasing today, and then the director is out right this minute. So this is it. This is what Phantom does every day. And I love it when people say, well, they're just out buying stuff off the Chinese market and just selling Chinese trash. Well, all I can tell you is you're welcome to visit me here. You're welcome to see what we do. This is an actual over here, and my staff will know who this is for, but this is a machine that we're actually working on for a customer right now. So yeah, when we tell you that we are designing these machines and that we're working on every individual customer need, this is what it takes to do this. So just in this office, we've got 5 or 6 personnel now, and then about 20 at the factory here. There's another 14, 15 in North Carolina. But anyway, maybe this will give you a little better view of what we do and show you how much we really care about what we do and who we take care of.